Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start from the app already signed in. Immediately open Hotstar and select the show or movie you want. Once the video loads, use the remote to pause playback and reveal on-screen controls. This exposes the audio options menu. Make sure your TV volume is audible so you can verify changes, because you will switch languages and listen. Also check that the content supports alternate audio tracks. Not every title has multiple languages, so you now navigate the controls. Select the audio or subtitles icon, often a speech bubble or gear, then open the language list. Once done, scan the list and pick your preferred audio language. Hotstar will switch streams rather than translate, so it's the full dubbed track you hear. Make sure to wait a second for buffering. The audio track change can take a beat. If you want subtitles too, enable them from the same menu to match the new audio for comprehension. Resume playback and verify the language change by listening for dialogue and checking sync. You should hear the new audio immediately. If the track didn't switch, stop the video, exit to the app home, and reopen the title. This forces the player to reload streams. Make sure your smart TV or streaming device has a current firmware version and restart it if problems persist. If nothing works, try another title to confirm whether the issue is per content or account/region related.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.